fear, doubt, disappointment, discouragement, and anger. These are all results of focusing on the wrong purpose. If we want to see something restored, we have a responsibility as believers to turn back to YeHoVaH and focus on His purposes. In times like these, we need to ask ourselves, which side will you focus on?
It seems to me that if we are living in the days that Yeshua described, then the time has come for there to be a people unlike anything the world has ever seen or will ever see again.
Michael Rood welcomes Bill Cloud for a special teaching, Focus, available in November only, and the only way to watch it is to receive it as our gift. Donate a $50 love gift and we'll send you Focus with Bill Cloud on DVD or Blu-ray. Or for a donation of $100, we'll send you the teaching plus a 4-foot Showers of Blessing umbrella, inscribed with Acts 14:17, featuring the Hebrew name of YeHoVaH. Or as a special offer for a donation of $300, we'll send you Focus, the Showers of Blessing umbrella, plus a beautiful modern menorah with brushed aluminum finish. These gifts are available in November only and supplies are limited. Make your donation now and receive the $50 gift, the $100 gift, or the $300 gift. Remember, this offer ends November 30th and supplies are limited. Thank you for your donation to A Rood Awakening International. Call now to receive your gifts. 888-766-3610. That's 888-766-3610. Or get your gifts online at monthlylovegift.com.